Who doesn't know this deep learning problem? You're trying to train your neural network, but need tons of different pictures showing the defect you want to eliminate, which of course you don't have. Wouldn't it be easier if a few 5 to 10 images would do? In this video, we will show you a solution that saves you time and energy and delivers great results. And all of this on just one device. I'm Vivian from IMAGO TV, and I will be guiding you through today's video. Deep learning is currently one of the most popular topics in the machine vision industry. But in real applications, it can be a complicated and time-consuming task. Usually, you don't only need an industrial camera to take pictures of the object you want to inspect, like in a normal vision system, but also a graphics card or other parallel computing units, and of course, hundreds of images. A simple neural network can only decide between good and bad products if it has been trained with a few hundred images of good products and some hundred images of the bad products. However, gathering so many images of bad products is hardly ever possible, as defective products are not the rule, but the exception. For example, if you're producing electronic boards, then your boards are usually in good quality. It would be very difficult to find 100 boards with a missing component or 100 boards with a soldering problem. But this is what the neural network usually needs for correct analysis. So what's the solution? How can you solve this problem caused by a lack of data? IMAGO Technologies VisionCam XM brings the solution. As explained in our video on machine vision cameras, IMAGO's vision cams are not only industrial cameras, but also have computing power inside. For deep learning, this means that you don't need a separate computing unit like a graphics card, but can train the neural network locally on the device. The accompanying software is developed especially for embedded deep learning and makes it possible to train the neural network with just very few images. You only need around 5 to 10 pictures of any category of defect you want to detect. IMAGO's software-hardware combinations are known as vision device. One example application for embedded deep learning is using such a vision device as an assembly assistant. The training only takes 1 minute. The vision device takes some images of good and bad assembled products, which the user places under the camera and classifies directly on the device. The embedded deep learning algorithm inside builds the classification rules. The more images you take, the better results you get, but it already works with just very few images. Once these images are loaded and have trained the neural network, you can start testing the results. Place newly assembled products under the camera and let the vision device show you whether the assembled product is good or bad. Our vision device also provides a heat map to show you critical areas which contain the defect, so you can easily verify if the device's classification was correct. The green areas show the good parts and the red areas show the bad parts. The darker the red, the more likely there is a defect. The analysis is really fast, as it only takes a few hundred milliseconds. You can even choose how exact the detection should be by using the slider sensitivity. Another huge advantage of the vision device is that its neural network is saved in a file which can then be ported onto other devices. This means you could train once and copy it to other production lines, or pause the current work and load a different neural network for a different product. You can also save and reuse partly trained neural networks to start training on a higher level and save time. So what do you think about this new and easy solution? Let us know in the comments below. You can contact our sales team if you want to know more about the vision device or embedded deep learning, or visit us at the Vision or the SPS IPC drives to find out more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to keep up to date with the newest trends and technologies in the machine vision industry, and also check out our visual newsletter IMAGO TV. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and if you learned something new today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.